Marshall here. Gonna spin you around a little bit. You see right there where that boat's getting put up on the trailer at right there. That's where I put in at. I got the Subaru sitting up there. Thought I'd come out here and do just a little bit of bream fishing before it gets dark. And I might throw out a little bit for crappie. And I may throw out even a couple bass plugs. I'm thinking of going right back up in there. Over there where them two poles are. Power poles sticking out the water. Back over in there. I'm gonna go around this curve right here because I want to throw over here near a pier. Just so everybody knows, I changed all the line on all my main reels. I put moss green on my smaller bass reel, 6 pound, and then I put a 10 pound moss green on my bigger bass rod and reel. Then I turned around and took my one that I mainly use when I'm crappie fishing. I took it and put a 4 pound, that Mr. Crappie, I put that on it. And then I took my main bream reel, which is this one right here. And this is Trilene Ice, 2 pound. This way I've got brand new line on there. I'm ready for, next season as well. But the other reason I did it is because I have to wear glasses, as you can see, they're right here. I have to wear them when I'm driving, I have to wear them at night, and I have to wear them if I'm reading. I can sit at home, watch a movie at the house, play on the computer, do stuff like that, and it doesn't bother me being without them during the day or what like that. But if I go out in the car at night, I've got to have them because I can't read the license plates good. They kind of blur. And it was making it hard to see how to tie line on, to be honest. Anyway, we're out here on the Malibu kayaks, Mini X. We're going to see if we can get a few or if we can get any. Now, last time I was out here was with my niece. Would have been the first week of October. Me and her got 2 bream apiece, and I caught a small turtle. I caught one over here, one bream over here by the pier, and a turtle by the pier. Then when we went over to the other spot, she caught 2 bream over there and I caught 1. Got one. Look at that. Got me one. We're gonna get this one off and we'll be right back. There you go, guys. That's a beautiful fish. Look at that. Now, we're going to turn it loose. He gone. And luckily, he didn't even get the worm. So we still going. Look like some rain might gonna be moving in a little bit. Let's see what we can do right there. Let's see. That probably killed all the worm. Because part of that one hit the pier. Alright, we back. Had to get tied on. Got one. It's a little one, but it's still a fish. There you go, everybody. We're gonna get ready and get this off. Alright, we back. We done turned that one back. Alright, let's see what we can get right. Let's try. I'm gonna try the other side real quick of this pier. Last time I was over here, I caught a turtle. To let everybody know, I bought some fake catfish bait. It's these new squares, and they say these are thick enough and they hang on to the hook good enough that you don't have to put them on the 3-prong treble hooks like you do most of your catfishing baits. That you can just put this on a regular hook, a piece of it, chunk it out there, and it stays on when you chunk it. I bought a bag of them. I'm gonna see how that works one day. And I bought some shad about like this, and I'm gonna probably cut a couple of the bigger ones in half and then just hook half of one on, chunk it out there, and see what I can do with some fake bait for catfish one day. Maybe come out, you know, at about 4 or 5 and fish right up until dark. Now, used to, the only time I'd catch cat was from about 6 or 7 p.m. like this, when it's about to get dark. I'd catch them like that for a couple hours, and then it would stop and start back, you know, like after midnight. That's 3 in the boat. Well, he swallowed this, so I'm gonna stop this and get him off. Alright guys, as you can see, it's really getting dark out here. So we're gonna take it back in. I hooked another one just after I let that other one go. I hooked onto another one. As soon as I went to set the hook, the line popped. So, could have been a really productive day. But now it's so dark, I can't hardly see, even with the new line, I can't hardly see how to tie it on now. It's getting too dark out here for that, and I don't have any lights on the boat. So we're headed in, guys. This is Marshall. Peace. We out.